Welcome to my channel. In today's fast-paced digital world, versatility and connectivity are key, and USB-C hubs have emerged as essential accessories for modern devices. With laptops, tablets, and smartphones increasingly relying on USB-C ports, a high-quality USB-C hub can expand your device's capabilities, offering multiple ports for data transfer, charging, video output, and more. Whether you need to connect external monitors, transfer files at lightning speed, or charge multiple devices simultaneously, the right USB-C hub makes all the difference. In this guide, we've curated the top 6 best USB-C hubs to help you stay productive and organized, no matter your needs. These hubs blend functionality, performance, and design for an unmatched user experience. Number 1. UGREEN Revodok 105 USB C Hub. The UGREEN Revodok 105 USB C Hub is a versatile 5-in-1 multi-port adapter designed to enhance connectivity for your modern devices. Featuring a 4K HDMI port, it allows you to extend or mirror your screen with stunning resolution for presentations or entertainment. With 100-watt power delivery, the hub supports rapid charging for your laptops and other devices. It includes 3 USB-A data ports, ensuring fast and efficient file transfers. Its compact, durable design makes it perfect for use with MacBook Pro, Air, iPad Pro, iMac, iPhone 15, Pro Max, XPS, ThinkPad, and more. This lightweight dongle is ideal for on-the-go productivity, providing seamless performance and connectivity for your work or entertainment needs. Number 2. Acer USB C Hub. The Acer USB C Hub 5-in-1 is a multifunctional adapter crafted to optimize connectivity for laptops, tablets, and smartphones. It features a 4K HDMI port, enabling stunning high-definition video output for presentations or entertainment. The 100-watt power delivery support ensures efficient charging of your devices while maintaining seamless multitasking. Equipped with 3 USB-A data ports, the hub allows fast and reliable file transfers. This compact and lightweight hub is compatible with a range of devices, including MacBook Pro, Air, iPad Air, Pro, iMac, and iPhone 15 to 16, Pro Max. Its plug-and-play functionality and sleek design make it a must-have accessory for professionals and tech enthusiasts, offering unparalleled convenience and performance wherever you go. Number 3. Belkin USB C Hub. The Belkin Connect USB-C to 4-port USB C Hub is a versatile multi-port adapter designed for seamless connectivity and efficient performance. Featuring 4 USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 ports, it delivers ultra-fast data transfer speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second, ensuring quick and reliable access to your files and peripherals. The hub supports 100-watt power delivery, providing fast and efficient charging for your devices while maintaining optimal functionality. Compatible with MacBook, iPad, Chromebook, PC, and more, it offers broad usability for various setups. Its compact design and durable construction make it an ideal companion for professionals and tech enthusiasts, enhancing your productivity with ease and reliability. A perfect blend of performance and portability. Number 4. BENFEI USB C Hub. The BENFEI USB C Hub 5-in-1 is a certified multifunctional adapter designed to elevate your connectivity experience. It features a 4K HDMI output, allowing you to enjoy crystal-clear visuals on compatible monitors and TVs, making it perfect for presentations, streaming, or gaming. Equipped with 3 USB-A ports, it supports high-speed data transfer for peripherals like flash drives, keyboards, and mice. The 100-watt power delivery capability ensures fast and reliable charging for your devices while multitasking. Crafted with a durable aluminum case and flexible silicone cable, this hub offers both style and resilience. Compatible with MacBook Pro, Air, iPad Pro, iMac, iPhone 15, Pro Max, XPS, and ThinkPad, it is an essential tool for productivity and entertainment on the go. Number 5. Anker USB C Hub. The Anker 6-in-1 USB C Hub is a versatile and compact solution for expanding your device's connectivity. Featuring 4K HDMI output, it delivers stunning high-definition visuals for presentations, streaming, or gaming. The 65-watt power delivery ensures efficient charging for laptops, tablets, and other devices while multitasking. Equipped with a 1 gigabit per second Ethernet port, it guarantees a stable and high-speed wired internet connection, making it ideal for professionals and gamers. The additional USB ports allow seamless connection of peripherals such as flash drives, keyboards, and mice. Designed to be lightweight and portable, this hub is compatible with MacBook Air, iPad Pro, XPS, and many other USB-C enabled devices, making it a perfect companion for work and entertainment. Number 6. UtechSmart USB C Hub. The UtechSmart USB C Hub is a 6-in-1 multi-port adapter designed to enhance the connectivity of your USB-C devices. It features a gigabit Ethernet port for fast, stable internet access, making it ideal for work or gaming. The 4K HDMI output delivers vivid Ultra HD visuals, perfect for presentations, streaming, or multitasking on external displays. With 3 USB 3.0 ports, you can connect peripherals like keyboards, mice, or external drives while enjoying fast data transfer speeds. The 100-watt power delivery PD ensures efficient charging for your laptop or other Type-C devices. Its sleek, lightweight design makes it compatible with MacBook Pro, such Air, Chromebook, Dell XPS, HP laptops, and more, making it a versatile and portable connectivity solution.